naughty girl. Why are you naughty? Huh?
No, Cathy.
No?
Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek Filipino family. So for today's video is day off ko ngayon at yung mga anak ko ay andun sa eskwelahan at mamaya pagka-uwi nila syempre magugutom yan sila dahil ganyan naman talaga yung mga estudyante kapag uwi gutom, napagod sa kakaaral. So, gagawin ko sila ng Filipino kakanin. At gagawin ko itong special. Ang gagawin ko ngayon is maha blanca na may custard sa toppings. With custard toppings. So, yun ang gagawin ko. So, special na maha blanca. So, ayun. Hope you like this video and enjoy watching. Yan. Meron ako ditong cornstarch. At meron din akong custard powder. Siyempre, ang coconut milk, ang gata. So, ayan. So, let's start cooking now. So, ito yung mixture ng custard. So, kapag kumulo na ito is isit aside para lumamig. At ito na yung mixture ng maha blanca. So, ano to siya? 1 cup of corn starch and 4 cups of mixture ng coconut milk at saka fresh milk. At lalagyan ko din pala ng sweet corn. Ayan. So, para mas masarap. So, lalagyan ko ng sweet corn. Itong 1 can. Ito na yung custard. So, papalamigin ko muna to bago ko ilagay sa toppings ng maha blanca mamaya. Ayan. Malapit nang maluto ang maha blanca. Nilagyan ko na ng mais. Ayan. So, ayan o. Medyo malapot na siya. Tapos, papalaputin ko pa ng konti. Siguro mga 10 minutes is ready na to siya. At ayan, after 10 minutes is na-ready na rin ang maha blanca. So, ayan. So, papalamigin ko muna to. Tapos, kapag malamig na, ilalagay ko na yung custard para sa toppings nito. Tapos na akong magluto ng merienda ng mga anak ko. So, alas 2 na ng hapon dito. Sunood muna ako ng Korean drama, yung Filing for Love. Then later, kapag 3 o'clock na is, susunduin ko na yung mga anak ko sa eskwelahan. So, ngayon is chill muna ako. Kakatapos ko lang din kasi maglinis ng bahay. Ayan. So, malamig na yung maha blanca, tsaka malamig na rin yung custard. So, nilagay ko na dito sa ibabaw ng maha blanca ang custard. So, meron na akong maha blanca with custard toppings. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko muna to sa ref para mas lalong lumamig. Tapos, pag uwi ng mga anak ko mamaya is meron na silang masarap na merienda. So, nasundo ko na yung mga anak ko sa eskwelahan. So, ando na sa taas, nagbibihis. So, ngayon, pagkatapos nila magbihis is kakain na sila ng ginawa kong extra special na maha blanca with sweet corn and custard toppings. Ayan. Ayan na yung mga anak ko. Ayan si Cassie, si Philia, at ang pinaka naughty one, Jackie. Ayan.
Give me some.
Hahatiin ko.
Give me some.
Ayan. Kakain na sila ng ginawa kong special maha blanca with custard toppings and sweet corn. Ayan o. Ayan. Do you like it, Jackie? So what can you say about my special pudding?
It's the best. It's better than the Korean one.
So, beautiful Korean.
I put you 10 out of 10.
Thank you. Ay, nalo niya.
Yeah, I went mommy's.
Minash niya.
I went mommy's more than infinity out of 10.
Kapilya. Kasi naman, ayan.
I got 10. I got 9 out of 10.
It's alright.
Well done.
Very good.
I don't get high scores.
Kasi mate kasi. You don't need to compare yourself to Jackie.
Yeah, Jackie's young. And that's actually a really good score to get.
Yeah.
And his score over 7 is good.
You don't need to compare yourself to her. Just say, well done, Jackie. Very good, Jackie. And I have a better score. Magtala.
Dito yun.
Mommy, I always get
Stop it! You don't look funny. You look like a mom.
the lowest score I got in year.
I got
Lowest score I got in year 6 was 12 out of 15.
Stop it, Philia.
Mommy, the lowest score I got was 12 out of 15. The highest I got the most was 15 out of 15. That's the one I got the most as well.
15 out of 15.
15 out of
Stop.
15 out of 15
I'm going
is the
to
score that I
pierce
get
your
the most.
eye.
I always get.
Stop it. Don't pinch her,
Mommy,
Philia.
I get.
She's treating me horribly.
Mommy, I get
Yeah,
everything.
but
correct.
look, she have lots of scratches in her body.
Mommy, I get everything correct most of the
Her
time.
fault.
Very good.
Scratches.
So you ride the scooter at school?
No, it happened last week though.
Jackie, did you ride the scooter in school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Jackie always goes to the drawing area in school.
Why are you wearing your sleeping mask? Are you gonna go to sleep now?
No.
It's only 3:30 and you're going to sleep.
No.
Yeah.
Then why are you putting your sleeping mask?
Because I'm gonna be a my melody guy.
Okay. Get your pudding. Yan mo, Philia?
Mm-mm.
All?
It's very tasty.
My melody girl doesn't sleep.
Come on, eat your
I
pudding.
need sleepy melody girl.
No, Philia and Cassie is finished. No, it's not finished yet. Cassie have a little bit more. Yung kay Philia na ubos niya. So kay Cassie na
I'm
ubusin
punching
niya yan.
Jackie.
Ha?
I'm punching Jackie.
Don't you dare.
Mommy.
Ma.
I have the coffee.
Hey.
Don't do that. It's bad, Jackie. You wanna be
More.
you wanna be bad girl? Don't do that to your sister, okay?
Why?
It's not nice. It's very bad.
What happens if I do it again?
I will be angry. You want me to be angry?
No.
No.
I think don't take me to Birmingham anymore.
Yeah.
No. Mommy, I was gonna go color pasta.
No.
Why?
Because I don't need anything in co-op.
And what did you need
And
anything?
Jackie, what do you need pajamas?
Mommy, Cassie said all your fat.
Don't say.
Oh,
Yeah, naubos kay Cassie. She finished it all.
good.
It was very yummy and creamy. I really liked it.
Good.
Infinity out of 10.
Thank you.
Jackie, be quiet.
Here's the naughtiest girl in the whole wide world. Naughty girl. Why are you naughty? Huh?
No, Cassie.
No, it's
Why?
Jackie, it's you.
But she's not.
With custard.
At ayan, maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa video namin. At sana patuloy nyo pa rin kaming susuportahan. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe our channel. And ayun, maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. Especially sa mga subscribers namin sa always na pagsuportas. Maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So, see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye-bye.